Alright guys, welcome back to the complete guide to AI art generation course. In this video, we are going to set up our Discord and then we are going to create our very first Midjourney account to get started with the AI art generation. So without a further ado, let's get started. Midjourney is an online AI art tool that works inside another application called Discord. Discord is a chat application where you will communicate with the Midjourney. You can think of it a bit like of a website, how a website works within a web browser. Same, first we have to download Discord and create our Discord account, and then within the Discord we can access the Midjourney. So here, first of all, open your web browser. Let me open mine. And the very first thing that you have to do here is you want to download Discord. So let me write download Discord. It is very easy, just write it. And the first link is of discord.com. Just click on it and download the Discord. If you already downloaded Discord and if you are a Discord user, then skip this part of the video and move to the next one. Now we will download it for Windows by clicking on this icon, and it is of just 79 megabytes. Once downloaded, just run it and install it as any other application that you can do. Here we have our Discord setup. Alright, the Discord app is successfully installed on our computer system, and now we want to create our very first Discord account. So let's see how we can do it. For that, we need to just click on the register button, and here we have to provide all of our details to create the account. So here, let me write my email, which is AI Mentor. Okay, then we have to provide a username. So here we can write AI Mentor. Then we need to give our password and similarly fill up all the form and just click continue. Once you click this button, then it will send the email for the verification. So here, go to your Gmail like this. And here we have verify your email address. So just click on this button to verify your email. And now we can see the email is verified. Continue to Discord. Just click on this thing, allow to open the application and click open link. Okay, so now we can see our email is successfully verified. Now what we need to do here is just sign in and just click the login button by providing your credentials. And this is what Discord is all about. Here you can see this is the very first interface that you can see if you are a new user of Discord. Alright, so here this is the interface of Discord. The next thing that we want to do here is we want to go to the website of Midjourney and we want to add it to our Discord. So for that, we will write Midjourney, and the very first link we have to open it up, which is midjourney.com. And then what we need to do is basically we need to just click sign in with Discord. So we have clicked this button right below, and here it says these are the permissions that it will ask you to access your username, avatar and banner, email address, and read your member information like nickname, avatar and roles. Just click this button below, which is authorize, and then it will redirect you to a new web page, which is midjourney.com/apps. And here we can see now we are successfully logged in into the Midjourney. And once we open our Discord, here, if we want, we can create our own server, and the Midjourney will be also reflected in this account in few moments. Alright, so this is how basically you can create a new Discord account from scratch and link it with the Midjourney account. Account creation process is done in this video. In our later video, we are going to see the basic plans of the Midjourney and which one you need to buy in order to follow up this course. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and goodbye.